In this demo, we're going to be talking about performing maintenance, so maintaining that interactive toggle. In this video, we're going to talk about maintaining this interactive toggle. So once we've built it, we probably want to know how to do some maintenance on it. So first of all, if I want to change any of the colors of these series, all I need to do is use this toggle right here. I would not recommend changing anything in this transformation table if I'm just dealing with formatting. So remember when we talk about information, transformation, presentation. So if I want to change the presentation, I should just interact directly with this chart. So I click on the cell that I want and then I change it. It's not a good idea to make different values or dummy values so you can see them all at once. There's no reason to do that. Just use the mechanics that are already built. Now if for some reason I wanted to change the order of everything, so right now if I click Show Savings, you see that transparent line sort of collapses on top and it gives you kind of this border effect, and perhaps I don't like that. I'd rather it just sort of disappear to the bottom. What I can do is I can right click into here and I can click Select Data. So to make my life easier, I'm going to hit OK here because actually I want to show the savings just so I make sure this works. So I can go to Select Data, and the effect that I was describing before is when Show Savings is off, this top line folds. Perhaps I would like it on the bottom instead of the top. So what I can do here is I have cost of goods for widget, so I've selected that, and I can just move it down as I've done here. I'll hit OK. As I hit Show Savings, you see that it's moving towards the bottom. Now I don't particularly love that effect. It's really up to you, but that's how you would deal with different chart series. Now, the other thing I want to point out here is that we start with information. And recall, we don't ever touch raw data. We never touch the information. So if I want to do any maintenance on the interactivity, I would do it over here on the transformation table. The thing about the transformation table to remember is that it's live. So if I hit delete here, it's going to delete right off the chart. That doesn't mean you shouldn't edit it. It just means that as you make edits, make sure that on the presentation layer, they are as you would like them to be. So I also want to point out here that I have this Show Savings named range that I created. Now let's say I don't want that Show Savings right here and I want to move it somewhere else. I can't just type in a new value right here, go up here and type in Show Savings. Watch what happens if I do that. So I'll type in Show Savings. You see it selects the one that was already created. So what I can do is I can go to the Formulas tab. I can go to Name Manager, and you see it brings up Show Savings, and this will allow me to change what it refers to.